In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add website link on Word document file in WPS Office Desktop app. Adding a website link in a Word document using the WPS Office Desktop app is a simple way to make your documents more interactive and professional. To start, open your document and type the word or phrase that you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be the name of the website or any text you want your readers to select. Once you have typed the text, highlight it by selecting it with your mouse. After highlighting your text, go to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This will open a range of options for adding elements to your document. From the Insert menu, select the Hyperlink option to open the Hyperlink settings window. In the Hyperlink window, you will see a field labeled Address or URL. Here, type or paste the website address you want to link to. Make sure the URL is correct, as this is the address that will open when someone clicks on the highlighted text. Once you have entered the website address, click OK to confirm your changes. After confirming, you will notice that the highlighted text has changed color to blue and is underlined. This visual change indicates that the text is now an active hyperlink. Anyone who clicks on this text will be taken directly to the website you linked. This is especially useful for reports, references, or shared documents where you want your readers to access external resources quickly. Using hyperlinks in your WPS Office documents makes your files more interactive and easier to navigate. You can repeat this process for multiple links in the same document to provide easy access to additional resources. It is a quick and effective way to enhance the functionality and professional appearance of your work. With this method, your Word documents can include all the necessary web references without cluttering the page. By embedding links directly into your text, you ensure that your audience can easily reach important websites, improving both the clarity and usefulness of your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.